We are at Epic Flight Academy's Mechanic School, where we have the open house, the Black Pilots of America Youth Activities Group here, high school students, and we have our incoming September class joining us at the school today. So today with the field trip, we were able to introduce high school students to what we do here, showing them that there's another side to being an aviator. There's the pilot side and then there's the mechanic side. So it's more hands-on. The kids got to work with different projects and see some of the students, our current students, and actually visualize what we do every day. For the incoming students, they got to meet their instructor. They got to walk around the school kind of quietly with their arrival coordinator, meet everyone, and just see where they're gonna be for the next 18, 19, 20 months. Right now, the high school students are actually in the simulator. We wanted to show them that side, which is the mechanic side, and then bring them over here and show them where it's applied. So they're in the simulator room right now with maybe 1 or 2 pilots actually using the simulator. If you're interested in anything aviation, please feel free to stop by Epic Flight Academy anytime, and anyone around campus can help you out.